to the Foley Railroad Museum. I think it'd be similar to the ones in Milton, but that's the simple.
But you're not spying. Let's do not overuse the duct tape.
Where are you from?
Daphne.
Oh, good. We're just neighbors. So the train station museum has been here since 1908.
Oh, wow.
There was one originally before that, but that burned to the ground and they rebuilt it. John Foley rebuilt it in 1908. And in the 1970s, it was picked up and moved down the street to Magnolia Springs, sat in a field over there. And in the 1990s, they picked it up and moved it back.
This depot was the lifeblood of Foley's economy. It allowed local farmers to ship cattle, corn, and potatoes to markets across the country, transforming a small settlement into a major agricultural hub.
All aboard!
We've moved over to the crown jewel of the depot, the O-Gauge model train exhibit. This isn't just a hobbyist basement setup. It's a massive 1,200 square foot custom layout with a quarter mile of track.
Whether you're a die-hard Lionel collector or just love the craftsmanship of a high-end model railroad, this place is a masterclass in scale modeling.
You've got scratch-built scenery, vintage steam locomotives, and even a replica of the famous L&N Hummingbird.
When the lights go down, the whole layout transforms into a glowing night mode masterpiece.
Every tiny street lamp and storefront is individually lit, showing off the incredible detail in the passenger cars and the town's drive-in theater. Its perfect scale model city is tucked in for the night.
Is this modeled off of Foley, or is it just a general model?
So some buildings actually exist in Foley today. For example, you can see the old hospital is that building right there. And you have the Foley Depot over there. But the rest of the town is modeled just kind of off the 1940s, 1950s style era.